Bead Electronics is a U.S. manufacturer of electronic contact pins that support automotive, industrial, connector, aerospace, and medical industries. We've been providing custom solutions for over 100 years, first with our original bead chain, and then evolving with technology to produce an array of electromechanical components. We make over 1 million pins per day, and we're ISO and IATF certified. We are the only swaging company in the world.
Our swaging process is a high-speed, scrapless, cold-forming process that provides a low-cost solution for machine pins or stamp parts. Our swaging process starts with solid wire or flat metal and is formed into a tube through a closed die. This closed die provides tremendous consistency part to part from our first part through our millionth. Our pins are used in a wide range of applications. So basically, anywhere there's signal or power, Bead can be there to help you. A quick look at how our hollow pins are formed. As you can see, the wire strip is fed through the carbide die, is passed along through the forming die, and is singulated at the end, which then goes off to be cleaned or plated. To better understand our process, you can look at the lap. It shows that once the tube is formed, the progression of the pin along the die. You can see that each stage is reduced a little as you go along the way until the pin is formed, and at the end it's cut off to form the part. Our process starts with solid wire. It's fed into the press, is formed by the die, and is fed along to our inspection system, which checks 100% of the pin's breaking points to ensure they're in the right spot. It's then fed along to the reel, in which is sent to our customers for their end use and insertion. Our wire pins can also be fed along, and after they're formed, they can be singulated to form a single pin. That single pin is then cleaned or plated based on the customer's requirements. While many of our customers take the continuous pins that we make and have their own insertion machines, we also will provide that value for some customers that have lower volume. We'll do the insertion for them and sell them the header. These headers can be provided loose or bulk packed, or tape and reel if that's what the customer requires.
Bead is committed to investing in technology to expand our capabilities and add value for our customers. Our state-of-the-art vertical milling center allows us to improve our tooling lead time and create more precise and repeatable parts. Our financial strength allows us to proactively manage risk to ensure business continuity. By diversifying our supplier base, we can be more responsive to our customers. Our cloud-based systems and enhanced cybersecurity procedures ensure the integrity and safety of our customers' data. Our culture of continuous improvement makes Bead an ideal long-term partner.
At Bead, we look to partner with our customers. Whether we're working with them on a design issue to address a concern, or optimizing a design for DFM, or maybe it's reviewing the demand profile to decide what fulfillment model works best. In the end, each of these steps help remove cost and lead time from the project and help take the project from concept to reality.
As a family business in its 5th generation, we've been through world wars, depressions, recessions, and now a global pandemic. I can honestly say that our employees, their dedication, and their resilience is how we've gotten through it. Our purpose is to be a customer-centric company that delivers innovative solutions to our customers, outperforms our competitors, and provides a fun and challenging environment for our employees.